Today we are in PortAventura, the biggest park in Spain. Today we're going to do PortAventura, and later today we're going to do Ferrari World because they're opening late now. As usual, I'm going to show you what's on offer, and I'm going to tell you what I like, what I didn't, and if it's worth a visit. In the meantime, subscribe. And here we are in Mediterranean, where the main attraction is Furious Baco, the coaster, and it's actually the only thing there. And we're now in the western area, which is massive, is lovely themed. Also from here you get to the new hotel area, which is breathtaking. Major attractions here are the wooden coasters. There is also a smaller CGI. And then of course Uncharted, the indoor coaster that opened last year. Lots of flat rides and a couple of water rides, being the canyons and the log flumes. Really nice. So Uncharted clearly requires a separate review. What is it? I would say it's the closest things to Gringot that we got in Europe. It's an indoor roller coaster, multidimensional intamin, but also a dark ride. Uses lots of projections. Kind of nice. I would say though that it's a kind of a descendant experience. Saying what? That when you start, there are lots of animatronics, there are lots of props and interactions. And then down the line, in the queue line, it gets less and less interactive, less themed, and a bit more boring and repetitive. The experience on ride, it's interesting, it's intense for family coaster. And it's kind of a nice one, but again, the lack of theming and physical props, most of the track is just in the dark, makes it a bit of a, probably missed opportunity. Say that I really enjoyed the ride experience itself in terms of a coaster, so it's fun, I liked it. Here we are in Mexico, where the centerpiece is this massive 100 meters drop tower. Then there is also a mine train, which is pretty old, but I still got something to say in terms of theming. And then, as usual, lots of flat rides. And here we are in China, where of course the two big ticket items are the two coasters, Shambhala, Hypercoaster, and Dragon Khan B&M. And then there are lots of flat rides. Again, this area is lovely themed. There is Anchor, which is a splash battle, which is identical to another water ride in Gardaland. Fortunately, it's closed at the moment, so I might find some other videos for that. Then we are here in themepark, which is a kind of copy and paste from Fantasy Kingdom of Gardaland. Here, though, there is a trackless dark ride, which is really nice. There is also a baby coaster and lots of flat rides. Some of them are identical to the ones in Gardaland. I'm gonna walk you through this area. And here we are in Polynesia, where there is only one attraction, which is a water ride, but it's super wet. And so, PortAventura, what's on offer? You've seen these lands which are nicely themed. Each of them has got at least one or two key attractions with a lot of smaller or flat rides attractions to support. What I liked is exactly that. The themed lands are really nice, really wide, big, and you can see a lot of money in the theming. It's got a kind of American US flavor to them, which is unusual in Europe. Also, I like that the attractions themselves are pretty good, pretty solid wide lineup, and also it's a kind of 360 degrees offer for the whole family, for kids and for thrill seekers. What I didn't like, you know it already, operations. They used to have an early access for hotels, has been scrapped. Also, they are supposed to open at 10, they don't, and even when the park is open, the attractions are not ready. But also, they really struggle to, you know, keep dispatching things. Said that, is it worth a visit? Yes, it's one of 360 degrees theme park in Europe, like Europa Park and others. If you have never visited once here, you should, because it's gonna kind of leave you, you know, speechless. It's a really nice theme park. Hopefully operations are also gonna get better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.